Hi everyone, welcome back to my urban homestead. I am in zone 9B, Northern California. It's cold today, though I know I'm not going to complain because many of you have it way colder. I'm going to harvest our sweet potatoes. I planted these, I believe, back in May or June, and I'm hoping for a harvest this year. Last year I planted them way too late and I didn't get anything. So let's get started. So this is pretty heavy. I'm not sure if I can lift it, so I'm just going to try to tilt it over onto the cardboard. And there are actually 2 plants in here, so let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, we have sweet potatoes, y'all. Let me bring you around so you can see. So look what's coming out of the bottom. Do you see it? We've got a tiny sweet potato. Right here. It's not huge, but it's something. How exciting! Oh no, we also have, looks like a slug. All right, let's try to do this. Cross your fingers with me. Let's see what we got. Okay, I'm not seeing much. We've got a really long one here, but it's super thin and long. Right here. This might be a bit of a letdown, guys. We've got this. We've got this. Anything? Oh! We have sweet potatoes! Oh my gosh! 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 We have sweet potatoes! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! I'm so excited! Ah! Oh my gosh! Okay, they're not huge, but oh my gosh, it's a really good size! Ah! Now I understand why people get so happy when they harvest sweet potatoes and they have a harvest. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Y'all, this is really great because I realized, number one, I planted them earlier, right? I grew the slips earlier, I planted them earlier, and they flowered. So unfortunately, I didn't have my phone the day I was out and they flowered, but they flowered. And when you see sweet potato flowers on the plants, that means the tubers are developing. And then they died back, and I knew it was time to harvest. So, yay! Let's get this all out. They're not huge, but it's something. I've never grown sweet potatoes successfully, and I'm very excited about this. So I think next year, I'll do my best to plant even earlier. It definitely is easier to plant in containers because then you don't have to go digging in the ground to get them out. Not huge, okay, but it's something. Oh, we've got a pretty good sized one here. Oh, oh my gosh. Look at this. Something, looks like something ate part of that one. But this is really cool. Oh, and this one is actually soft, so I think I left them too long. Oh, that's unfortunate. Oh, wow. Look at this one. another. Some of them are a little soft, guys. I'm really feeling bad about this. I think they started to rot. I left them for too long in here. Man. All right, lesson learned for next year, right? This is how we learn. Oh yeah, this one is totally mushy. Oh, so sad. Oh, this one is mushy too. Oh, so sad. All right, looks like that's it over there. Let's see if we have anything in this section here. I don't feel anything. No, that's it. All right. So here's what we have. I'm happy. I'm gonna go through them because some of them have unfortunately rotted. So they won't all be edible, but sweet potatoes have been grown and I'm really excited about it. So I'm gonna go through the others and see if there's anything in there as well. I already know I'm not gonna put the soil back in today. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I just wanna see what's in these. Unfortunately, I forgot to remove the drip irrigation. So these are gonna be wet and I don't know if these are gonna be good anymore. So we'll see. You can only do your best, you know? We're learning. And we know it'll be better next year. Wow, even some of the roots of the sweet potatoes went down to the soil over here, underneath the grow bag. That's crazy. So this is why I don't throw out my boxes, my Amazon boxes and whatnot, because at some point, you're gonna need them. Small, but still edible. And even these small ones are bigger than what I got last year. If anything, these will be for our puppy. He loves sweet potatoes too. I don't know if there's anything in here, so let's dump it all out. Having trouble tipping it all out. I don't think there's anything in here, guys. Ooh. Oh, there is. All right, let's come in a little closer. These are definitely not big, and some, unfortunately, have rotted. I think I planted these after the first one. Oh, this is a nice one. I think that might be it. We've got a few here. Yep, that's it. All right, let's empty another one. You can see I've got some more behind me, so I'm going to empty those out and I'll bring you back when I'm finished with the harvest. We had one grow bag, there was nothing in it. And this is the second one, and I also don't think there's anything in this one. These, I think, were like last minute additions and they didn't get enough time to really develop. Yeah, there's nothing. Just roots. So no tuber development. This is the roots from the sweet potato slip. No tubers in this one. So let me show you what I got. The majority of this is just from one plant, and I'm really happy about it. Unfortunately, some of these are already soft and they're going bad, but there's plenty here that are good, and we're gonna enjoy some really great sweet potatoes. I'm gonna weigh them when I get back in the house, and I'll let you know in the description how much we ended up harvesting all together. Thanks for hanging out with me, everyone. Feel free to like, subscribe, come along with me on my urban homesteading journey here in Zone 9B, Northern California. See you in the next video. Happy gardening. So here is my sweet potato harvest. I'm pretty satisfied, y'all. It is by no means perfect, but it's mine. And I grew these. And I've learned so many lessons, and next year will be even better. Last year I got nothing. I think my biggest one last year was like smaller than this, and now I've got a whole bowl. So yay us. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I will see you in the next video. Happy gardening, everyone.